Good morning, my friends. Today is Saturday, August 3rd. It is about 10 a.m. It is humid and temperature is about 90 degrees already. So let's see how it goes. We are going to Brooklyn, downtown Brooklyn. Park my car there and then walk across Brooklyn Bridge into Manhattan. And then walk back, then walk around DUMBO under Manhattan Bridge. I want to take you along with me. Let's go. Let's get on Northern State Parkway now from Meadowbrook Parkway. This is Northern State Parkway. We are just going to be on Northern State Parkway for a minute or so and then get on LIE. Today is a beautiful day, bit hot and quite humid. I mean, last few days been hot and humid. This is time of the year in New York City and surrounding areas. A lot of humidity. Other than that, it's very beautiful. All right, let's get on LIE. Traffic is not bad for Saturday morning. We just entered into Queens, New York City from Long Island. And here it goes, traffic. This exit 31, you can take Cross Island Parkway north to take Throgs Neck Bridge, Whitestone Bridge to go to the Bronx, and up north to Westchester County and Connecticut. South will take you to Kennedy Airport. I was hoping not to see this much traffic this morning, Saturday morning. But I guess it is what it is. We gotta go with the flow. From LIE, we are taking Brooklyn Queens Expressway to go to Brooklyn. We are crossing Kosciuszko Bridge. This is a relatively new bridge, just opened a few years ago. They took down the old one, which was also a beautiful bridge. I hope you can see Statue of Liberty. Check out the boats. That is Brooklyn over there. This is Manhattan Bridge. Way back there is Empire State Building. And that is World Trade Center. All right, guys, this is Space University. This is where I went for my undergrad in accounting. I graduated in 1993 from here. So I am sitting in the bench now in Manhattan in the City Hall Park. After a few minutes, I'm gonna start heading back towards Brooklyn. There are so many bridges in the world. They are longer than Brooklyn Bridge. They are taller than Brooklyn Bridge. They might be more glamorous, but there's no bridge like Brooklyn Bridge. It is so special. It is unique. Why is it so special? To begin with, it opened in 1883, 140 years ago. This in itself is a big thing. It is 6,000 feet long. And look at the people. How many people are here? Majority of them are tourists. They just want to be part of it. Okay guys, walk is done, cross the bridge. It took about 2 hours and it was a lot of fun, hot, humid, and a lot of people, a lot of tourists. So I did 3.63 miles, 816 calories, not bad. All right, my friends,